Hello and welcome to Hosting and Stuff. My name is Mark. Today, I will show you how to install WordPress using Virtualmin on a Debian server. We are also using Debian as the client machine. Let's get started. First, open your Virtualmin admin page. Log in with your username and password. Then click on Sign In. Next, select the virtual server where you want to install WordPress. In my case, I only have one account called Hosting and Stuff. Yours might be different. On the left side, click on Manage Web Apps. You will see a list of available web apps. We are going to focus on WordPress. You can click on the selector or simply hover over WordPress and click the green check mark. Now, we need to change a few options. The most important option is called Install Subdirectory under Public HTML. If you want your website to load directly from your domain, you must select at top level. Otherwise, it will be installed in a subfolder like domain.com/WordPress. I want it at the top level, so I will select that option. You can also set the WordPress site name here. This can be changed later in the WordPress settings. Next, set the admin username and password for your WordPress site. A strong password is required, with uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. This is important for security. Two-factor authentication is also a good idea, but optional. When you are done, click Install Now. After a few moments, the installation will be complete. You will see a link to your new WordPress site and a generated password. Copy the password and click the link to open the WordPress admin login page. Enter your username and password and log in. WordPress is now installed and ready to use. You can start building your website. If you ever want to uninstall WordPress, go back to Manage Web Apps. Select the WordPress app and click Uninstall Selected Web Apps. Then, click Uninstall Now. Be careful. This will delete the website and its database. Make sure to have backups if needed. Now, in rare cases, the automatic installation might not work. Here is an alternative way to install WordPress manually using Virtualmin. First, download WordPress from the official website. Search for Download WordPress. Go to the official link and download the zip file. Once downloaded, go back to Virtualmin. Open the File Manager. Make sure you are in the correct virtual server directory. Click on File, and then Upload to current directory. Upload the WordPress zip file. If possible, enable Extract Compress to unzip the file right away. After uploading, open the extracted WordPress folder. Select all the files inside. Click Edit, then Cut. Now, go back to the public HTML directory. Click File and Paste to move the files to the root directory. You can delete the empty WordPress folder afterwards. Now, open your domain in the browser. The WordPress setup page will appear. Select your language. You will be asked for database details. Let's quickly create one. Go back to the Virtualmin admin page. Click on Edit Databases. Click on Create a new database. Enter a name for the database, for example, your server name _WP. After creating the database, go back to Edit Databases. You should see the new database listed. Return to the WordPress setup page. Fill in the database details. The database name is the one you just created. For username and password, use your virtual server's credentials. Leave other settings as default. Click Submit, then run the installation. Next, enter your site title, admin username, password, and email. This information is for your WordPress site, not the server or database. Click Install WordPress. Congratulations! WordPress is now installed. You can log in and start working on your site. Before we end, I would like to thank Absolute Hosting for sponsoring the VPS used in this demonstration. Big thanks to them for their support. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to Hosting and Stuff for more tutorials like this. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. My name is Mark, and I will see you in the next video.